Hi, I'm Robert. Let me introduce you to this Fiat 500 Lounge Edition. It's a 2018 on the 68 plate, daytime driving lights, alloy wheels, panoramic roof. As you can see, the bodywork is superb. We've got rear parking sensors, nice sized boot, 50-50 split rear seat. You can also see it's got electric mirrors, all the controls on the steering column for your audio, your telephone, etc. You can actually see there it's done a genuine 3,025 miles. Nice big touchscreen display for your media, telephone, etc. Air conditioning, 5-speed gearbox. In the centre there we've got cup holders and USB connectivity. You've got the lovely two-tone seats with the 500 embossed logo. This really is a fantastic little car. Don't hesitate, pick up the phone, call me, let's take you out for a test drive, value your car, and I assure you I'll give you the best deal money can buy. So call me today. I'm Robert.